Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our bedroom linen services and find it useful.
Perfect. For prolonged freshness and fabric longevity, enhanced longevity. Regular professional cleaning by Sudsies helps to extend the lifespan of high-quality bed linens by removing sweat, oils, and other residues that can break down fabric fibers over time. This prolongs the life of your linens, ensuring they continue to look and feel luxurious. Odor control. In addition to keeping linens crisp, Sudsies' cleaning process effectively manages and eliminates odors that can result from South Florida's heat and humidity, ensuring your bed always smells fresh and inviting. 5. Reputation and trust. Trusted by discerning clients. Sudsies is known for providing top-tier service to clients who demand the best for their household linens. Their reputation for excellence and attention to detail makes them the go-to choice for South Florida locals who want to maintain the elegance and comfort of their bedding. By choosing Sudsies, South Florida residents can ensure that their bed linens are always fresh, crisp, and cool, creating a comfortable and luxurious sleep environment despite the challenges posed by the local climate.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.